Assalamu alaikum students. I hope all of you are doing great and studying at your homes. I welcome you all in this virtual classroom that is conducted by the Trust School. I am the science instructor of grade 5 and in today's lesson we'll learn about classification of vertebrates. That is the topic of unit number 1, classification of living organisms. So students, in the previous lesson we have seen that the vertebrates are divided into 5 main groups: fish, amphibians, reptiles, birds and mammals. And we have studied the characteristics of fish and amphibians. So students, now let's recall some of their characteristics. Fish have scales that protect them from their environment. Moreover, fish lay eggs. इसके अलावा एम्फीबियंस कोल्ड ब्लडेड एनिमल्स होते हैं. इनके जिस्म का दर्जा हरारत इनके इर्द गिर्द के दर्जा हरारत के मुताबिक होता है. एम्फीबियंस हैव लूज एंड मोइस्ट स्किन. So students, the groups of vertebrates that we are going to discuss in today's lesson are reptiles, birds and mammals. Now first we will see some characteristics of reptiles. तो बच्चों, रेंगने वाले जानवरों को रेप्टाइल्स कहते हैं. इनकी जिल्द मोटी, खुरदरी और खुश्क होती है जो कि इन्हें बैरूनी असरात से बचाती है. Moreover, the process of reproduction in reptiles takes place through the eggs. इसके अलावा रेप्टाइल्स कोल्ड ब्लडेड एनिमल्स होते हैं. इनके जिस्म का दर्जा हरारत इर्द गिर्द के दर्जा हरारत के मुताबिक होता है. लिजर्ड, crocodile, snake and tortoise are the examples of reptiles. So students, now the next group of vertebrates is birds. The birds have feathers and beaks. इसके अलावा इनकी हड्डियाँ अंदर से खाली होती हैं जिसकी वजह से इनका वज़न कम होता है. Moreover, birds have air sacs along with the lungs which facilitates efficient exchange of carbon dioxide and oxygen during the respiration process. Birds can fly in the air. Moreover, some birds can swim in water, for example duck. Some birds are running birds, for example ostrich and kiwi. Moreover, all kinds of birds lay eggs. The birds that live in water have webbed feet, जैसा कि आप इमेज में देख सकते हो. मिसाल के तौर पर डक और स्वान के वेब फीट होते हैं. Moreover, birds are warm blooded animals. वार्म ब्लडेड एनिमल्स ऐसे जानवर होते हैं जिनके जिस्म का दर्जा हरारत उनके इर्द गिर्द के माहौल के दर्जा हरारत पे मुनहसर नहीं होता. मिसाल के तौर पर बाहर दर्जा हरारत ज़्यादा हो या कम हो लेकिन उनके जिस्म का दर्जा हरारत एक जैसा रहता है. स्पैरो, पिजन, कीवी, रूस्टर, डव, पैरट and ostrich are the examples of birds. Now the next main group of vertebrates is mammals. Mammals give milk. Moreover, they have thick fur and hair on their body. Mammals give birth and feed their young ones. Mammals are also warm-blooded animals. Their body temperature does not depend on the external environment. Horse, cow, goat, tiger, cat and human are the examples of mammals. Now I will give you some questions as a homework. So the question number 1 is, what are creeping animals? तो इसके जवाब में आपने वर्टिब्रेट्स का वो ग्रुप लिखना है जो कि creeping animals हैं. Number 2 is, give examples of reptiles. So you have to give examples of reptiles in this question. Question number 3 is, write any 2 characteristics of birds. So as there are many characteristics of birds, so you have to write any 2. Number 4 is, give examples of running birds. So इस सवाल में आपने running birds के names लिखने हैं. Number 5 is, what are the examples of birds. So you have to write the examples of birds in this question. Number 6 is, write any 2 characteristics of mammals. So I have told you many characteristics, you have to write any 2. And in the last question, you have to write the examples of mammals. तो बच्चों, मैं उम्मीद करती हूँ कि आपको आज का सबक समझ आ गया होगा. Still, if you face any difficulty, you can ask your subject teacher. In the end, thank you for watching and listening. Stay home and stay safe. Allah Hafiz.